Hello friends, welcome to your own channel. So let's look at the stocks which are giving the potential for a move tomorrow and can be a profitable trade tomorrow. So first of all, starting from Nifty. As stated yesterday, we were expecting for some correction today and exactly the same thing happened. This was the price where Nifty was closed yesterday, and after this it gave a nice pullback to the downside. If you look at the futures chart, there was a very nice trade somewhere around here, and I took the long position somewhere around here when Nifty was just about this 61.8 retracement above this swing, above this previous swing. Once it was breaking this and it started retracing here, I just bought some calls. And since the stop loss was very small, I had taken the risk and went long here. Still, I booked some profit at the day high and still carrying some calls for tomorrow. I also opened some future positions here, and yeah, it all depends on your capital allocation and the risk which you are risking to trade. So as I already stated, this was my logic for trading Nifty today. Once I saw that the movement to the downside were getting smaller and smaller, and once it jumped up, the stop loss here was very small. So once it started retracing below, I started taking some calls and long in the futures. So futures, I booked some profit here and still carrying some longs in break-even trade. So if market retraces further tomorrow in the tomorrow's trading session, I won't be losing anything. It will be just break-even trade. So what to expect tomorrow? And since we have seen that Nifty has given this much retracement for this swing, so possibly we expect that Nifty will keep on moving tomorrow like this. I expect it to move towards 18,000 on Nifty spot, and once it moves here and completes the swing, this swing, new swing, I'll be again waiting for a retracement here. I won't be opening a long position in between this swing. Once this particular ongoing swing is completed, I will wait for a retracement, and if the sellers are getting slower and the sell candles are getting weaker and weaker, then I will be looking for some long positions. So possibly my area which I am interested will be somewhere around here. This is smaller swing, pivot point closer to 17,885 and 17,913. This area looks like the area where buyers were coming in control, took the price very rapidly up to the upside. So once price is retracing from here or giving something like this, then I'll be thinking to open fresh long position. Until then, it will be just sidelines on Nifty. So let's quickly look at the stocks which I have picked for tomorrow. This is the Tata Motors. I talked about Tata Motor yesterday as well, but I could not open a long position since I was just watching the minute movements here and was expecting that once this price moves up, then I will be opening a long position. So I have just written down the entry positions. I will be opening an entry position somewhere around 482 and keeping the stop loss somewhere below 478, which is this region. And target, my target mechanism is exactly the same, which I keep, always the same, which is the 121.7 extension of this particular swing which I am trading. So it will come around 498. So these are the entry stop loss and targets for Tata Motors. The next stock which I picked is Federal Bank. Federal Bank started retracing today after moving quite good swing and breaking this previous swing high. It made a new structure high here. So the area which I am looking for entry is somewhere around 110, keeping the stop loss just below 109.4. So I will be keeping a very small stop loss in an assumption that if this particular pivot where buyers aggressively took the price upside, if this is failing, I think then the long premise will be failing itself. So won't be entering after that. Target will be simple, 112.85, roughly around this area. Once we move to this swing high, we'll be moving the stop loss to break even. So it will be a no loss trade. After that, the target will be open to 112. Next one is SBI Life. All the insurance stocks have been moving from couple of sessions. NDFC Life, ICICI, and everything. ICICI Lombard, even SBI Life is moving. So as for SBI Life, I am thinking that this candle was taken out very ferociously by buyers here. So this is the area where buyers are present in very good quantity. So if if sorry if price retraces here and I am able to see that the price is slowing down with regard to seller, then I'll be opening position for entry around 1309, keeping the stop loss at 1299. 1299 will be just below this, just around this area. And my target will be 127 extension of this swing, which is around 1344. Next stock which I am looking for entry tomorrow towards the long position is this one, AU Small Finance Bank. As you can see, it has made a new structure high here around 651 or 652. Retraced very nicely, and we can see that the buyers were coming in between. Selling candles were getting smaller. So once this is this smaller swing has been broken to the upside, this lower high, I am expecting that a retracement somewhere around 642.5 or 642 would be a good place to place a entry for long position, keeping the stop loss around 639.5 and target around 656, which will be giving around 4.5 hours, which is very good for a trade. So these are the stocks which I think are having the potential as per my trading 6 system. So if you have any query, please do post in the comment section and I will be getting back. And if you have any feedback about my videos or the content which I am giving, please, you are welcome to provide it in the comment section. If you like the content, please share with your friends, family, so that maximum people can get the benefit of this. Till then, thank you and have a nice trading session.